As Steve has been saying, northern Kentucky is seeing some high snow totals tonight.
And it's slow going on the roads as well. 9 on your side's Tom McKee continues our live team coverage. He's in Walton. Tom.
In the past hour, I've seen at least a dozen snowplows come by the area of I-75 and Walton-Verona Road here. But there's still a lot of work to be done, as evidenced by Governor Beshear's emergency declaration urging people to stay off the roads to let those crews do their job. And it's very, very evident that it's a big job to do for those snowplow drivers. They have to try to keep the pavement clear while snow keeps falling. It was just as difficult, though, for maintenance crews at Walton-Verona schools. Employees began clearing parking lots and sidewalks at 5 o'clock this morning and were still on the job well into the afternoon, recleaning the same surfaces they'd attacked several times earlier. But the workers were taking things in stride on this President's Day holiday.
Had all kinds of action last winter and thought we were going to have the same this year, but other than that one snow we had in November, this is about it for us.
Then there was 13-year-old Brian Damasco collecting money for shoveling the driveways of several of his Walton neighbors. He set out to earn $100 today and had $70 in hand by mid-afternoon with several more driveways to clear. Way to go, Brian. We're back here live in Verona, and you can see the northbound lanes compared to the southbound lanes. We have seen in the past few minutes very little, if any, traffic moving northbound on I-75. It gives you a real indication of how deep and problematic the snowfall has been south of here toward Lexington. Tom McKee, 9 on your side, live in Verona.